Hi Sonia, I wanted to make this short video for you regarding your business and how to optimize it so folks can find it. I was doing a search for oil and gas digging. I'm not sure what your business keywords are. I'm not sure how people would find you. But anyway, I did a oil and gas digging in Midland, Texas, and this is an ad. So someone's paying for this, which is Granger Industrials. And then these are organic. Um, these people are not paying to be up here on top. And so what I recommend you do is go ahead and search for the words that people would be using to find your business. I'm not sure if it's welding or cleanups or what have you, and see if you guys come up and see where you come up. If you don't show up yet, it could be because you're new and your website's not done yet. The website carries a lot of weight, and also how it's done, how it's created. So I did this just to show you. You can, search for something more common, which is, say, carpet cleaning in uh, Midland, Texas. Something like, for instance, like this. These are ads, and then these guys are organic. They don't pay. They just have a pretty strong website. They have pretty strong reviews and such, and that's why they rank up on the top. So basically, that's what you want to do. You want to enter what words people would find you for, and then based on that, you build your website. Build your website. I sent you a shot of where you guys are at. You're already listed in a couple of places, um, and the same thing applies with your keywords and people finding you in these. I mean, I found you because I entered your name, but people that don't know you won't find you. They'll enter the service they want, like I did carpet cleaning. You want to have the keywords embedded in all of your sites, so people find you when they enter the service they're looking for. So anyway, found you here in your Facebook page, and then also in Manta. So anyway, I just wanted to show you that. Hopefully it helps in creating your website. You should also create a Instagram account. You already have a LinkedIn. I saw it somewhere here. And so the more places you're cited, I can do about 30 or 60 of these. They're called citations, where I cite you and I use keywords. So when people Google that service, you're like a rash. You come up a lot. And that's part of my SEO service. If you guys need that, if you need somebody to do that, I will put you in a bunch of these directories on the internet, between 30 and 60 of them. And then I'll also integrate a YouTube channel for your company, and I'll connect all the social medias together to be on your website. If you don't have anybody doing that for you, let me know. If you need help, I can help you with that. And anyway, good luck with it. Your Google My Business looks pretty good already, so it's just a matter of adding the website, adding the content. I added the website already, but you need to create it. It needs to have content. All right, Sonia, good luck.